I have a mosquito bite on my leg. Oh, it's so itchy. What the hell? Ow! Look at this.
Ashya, say hi, but this time don't say lights. Okay. Okay.
Ow, my legs are so itchy. Oh my gosh.
Ignore it.
Oh, it's so itchy. Okay, I'll stop.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Blah blah.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it. Is it too late to try? In all time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time where we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. You turned your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone, payphone, payphone. 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 I'm at a payphone trying to call all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone. I'm at a payphone.
Ashya, say bye.
Oh my gosh, Adora. Am I finally getting an allergic reaction?
I think you're allergic to clams. Do you need some Benadryl?
Yeah. Before.
Because you have one on your right here.
I do?
Yeah.
Go get me Benadryl now.
Okay. Ashya, go get my backpack here.